We are the voices of the ancestors, the keepers of justice beyond the mortal realm. In the Ancestral Court of Strange Crimes, a case unfolds that will shake the foundations of both mortal and immortal justice.
The court is now in session. We will hear the case of Mrs. Adwoa Mensah versus Mr. Kwame Mensah.
Your Honor, my husband has stolen my ancestral lands.
It was given to me, Your Honor. We are married. It is our land.
The age-old battle of ownership. But what truly belongs to anyone in the face of eternity?
Mrs. Mensah, please elaborate on your claim.
These lands have been in my family for generations. They are sacred to us.
But as a husband, am I not part of the family now?
Family a mortal construct. In our realm, only the truth of the soul matters. And now, the ancestors gather to witness this judgment.
I've heard enough. In the eyes of the law, what belongs to one spouse belongs to both. Case dismissed.
It's all good. You have won in the human court, but I will take you to the ancestral court. There. The only punishment is death.
The mortal court falls silent. But we ancestors lean in, our interest piqued.
No, please, not the Ancestral Court.
Mr. Mensah, why do you cry? This court has ruled in your favor.
The ancestors know my intent, and that is a death sentence.
The truth reveals itself. In our court, intentions are laid bare, and justice is absolute. We see into the heart of Kwame Mensah, the greed that drove him to betray his wife's trust. We feel the pain of Adwoa Mensah, her connection to the land severed by mortal law. The scales of justice tip as the weight of truth bears down upon Kwame Mensah. Poor, ignorant judge. Your laws are but whispers compared to the thunderous justice of the ancestors.
Mr. Mensah, compose yourself. This is a court of law, not a place for superstition.
You see, Your Honor? He knows what he did was wrong. The ancestors will judge him fairly.
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I didn't think...
This court is adjourned. I suggest you both seek counseling.
The living may hide behind laws and words, but in the ancestral court, the soul stands naked. Mr. Mensah's fate is sealed. The ancestral court awaits where death is but the beginning of true justice. And Mrs. Mensah, be warned, invoking our judgment carries its own price. For in the ancestral court, all are judged, accusers and accused alike. Remember, mortals, your actions echo in eternity. Choose wisely, for we are always watching.